city where the shadows fall, next the cat stands proud and tall. With his team of bears by his side, he'll fight the dark, he'll turn the tide. He's lost his son, but he won't break. For justice now, it's for his sake. Through the night, he'll lead the way, a hero born to save the day. Max, the hero in the night, with courage burning bright. He'll chase the fears, he'll face the fight, until the morning light. Oh, Max, the brave, the bold, with a heart of shining gold. He'll guard the streets, protect his own, the bravest cat we've ever known. In the moonlight, they're moving fast. Through every danger, they won't be last. Rhinos guard the secret door, but Max will break them like before. With every step he feels the way, but he won't bow down to faith. For Timmy's love he'll carry on, a father's fight is never done. Max, the hero in the night, with courage burning bright. He'll chase the fears, he'll face the fight, until the morning light. Oh, Max, the brave, the bold, with a heart of shining gold. He'll guard the streets, protect his own, the bravest cat we've ever known. Through the storm, through the flame, he'll never rest, he'll never change. For love, for peace, he'll always fight, our hero in the endless night.